Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how ChatGPT helps in writing Power Query code using Power BI or Excel. In this demo, I will use the Power BI for Power Query, but same can apply to Excel. If you don't know what ChatGPT is and how to use it, please watch my video on ChatGPT. You will find a link in the description box. Please stay tuned. Let's go to the computer for the demo. So first question I will ask to ChatGPT to write M code in Power Query to generate date table. So let me go to ChatGPT and here I have a question in Notepad to save time. So I'll copy from here and I will paste. So my question is I want M code in Power Query to generate date table starting from 2023 to 2025. So let me hit the enter button. So first it will give some explanation and then it will generate a code for us. So let us wait. So here you can see code and this is the explanation of code. So what I'm going to do from here, I will copy this code and I will go to Power BI and in Power BI transform data and I will go to Power Query Editor. In Power Query Editor, I will say new source and blank query. And now I will go to Advanced Editor. In Advanced Editor, again I will zoom in. I will remove existing code and paste new code and say done. So you can see my date calendar is generated. Now later you can rename this query 1 to something meaningful. Now let me ask another question. So let me show you my existing data table. So here you can see column unit price and order quantity. So I want to find out sales amount. So my my formula is unit price multiplied by order quantity. So let me ask ChatGPT to write a code for me. So I will copy my question from here and paste in ChatGPT. So how to add a custom column, how to add a custom column in Power Query and multiply column order quantity with the unit price. So let me hit the enter button. So now it is generating a code and some explanation and how to add a custom column. So you can see here the step how to add a custom column. So this is my calculation. So I'll copy from here and I will go to Power Query, and in Power Query in add column, I will say custom column and I will say column name is sales amount and I will paste the code here and I will click OK. So you can see sales amount column is added. Now I will ask one more question. Here you can see sales date. So I want to extract year from the sales date. So let me ask question. So let me copy from here. So I'll paste here and hit the enter button. So again, it is explaining how to add a custom column and it will generate a code for us. So let us wait. So this is my code, M code. So let me copy from here and I will go to Power Query and I will again add a custom column. And here my column name is cells here and I will paste the code. You can see here cells here is added. So these are few examples. That's all for this video. I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.